In this episode I will show you my brand new chainsaw, from the unpacking to the cutting the large trees. Let me show you. I'm right now on the way to buy a new chainsaw. I was actually a little bit thinking about buying a chainsaw which runs on petrol, and the second choice is a chainsaw on the battery, so electric power, but on battery and the accumulator and so on. And my pick is the Akku one, so the battery one from Einhell. It's German. It's German company. Actually, very, very great company. Very recently started to produce so many different tools for gardening, for jobs in the forest, for small jobs and works inside of the house, etc. And I think it's very great. It comes with the batteries. You have to purchase them separately, but usually one battery lasts for a couple of hours. Of course, it depends how much do you work and how much do you do and what's the load. And based on that, I decided to buy the Einhell GE-LC, I think 36/35 chainsaw, Akku chainsaw, and I hope I will find it in our local store, similar as Home Depot in USA, which is actually Bauhaus here in Croatia. So what I just bought is actually pretty great. It's the chainsaw, Akku chainsaw from Einhell. It's German company, I think, or Austrian company, I think, and it has great and amazing pieces of accessories. Let me show you. This is it. Einhell, as you can see, professional cordless chainsaw. It has two batteries, a 35 centimeters sword, as we call it right here, with Oregon chain, which is actually great. Here are some tips. So, of course, it has brakes, oil for automatic oil for the chain. The chain is you can adjust it just by using this small knob. Sword and Oregon chain, brushless motor, which is actually great because it consumes less power. It runs on two batteries with 80 volts, and yeah, it has dogs, metal dogs, as any other chainsaw. And the guy here is some big pine tree or something cutting down. So let's open it. I think that's it. And here we go. Here is the chain. Here is the cover for the sword. Here is something nice. And here is the actual chainsaw, as you can see. So here is the knob for the chain, and here are so you have to press this right with this bow to make it start. This is the brake as on normal saw. This is, I think, for oil for chain. That's right. The dogs are here. It's pretty nice actually. It's not so heavy, but with 2 battery probably it will be a bit. But let's see. Yep, I almost forgot the most important part. Here is the sword from Oregon. Yep, nice one. 35 centimeters long. Okay, so here comes the sword, and here is the chain hooked up. Now I'm going to, but since I don't have my stand for my phone here, I will do that and film later. That was actually very easy. So yeah, so this knob here is reducing the chain, you know, how I don't know how to say how hard it is. So, and you will see when I turn this on this side, you can see how the chain is now right next to the sword. And what I'm going to do next, I will close this just by oh no, wrong one, sorry. So first you have to, here is one little plastic, I don't know, something, and now I'm just rolling it, rolling again. Yeah, I think that's great. And now it's chain a little bit too hard, and that's better. That's better. Let's place it like this. That's great. I think that's great. Maybe even more. Oh, all right. So this is it. I will remove this part here as well. So the main characteristic of this chainsaw is that it runs on Einhell batteries, which are not provided in the pack. Maybe in some cases if you have some nice sale going on or something like that, but usually they are sold separately. And as you can see, sorry for the mess, and as you can see, I'm charging my 2 batteries here. So these are of 4 amps, and this is of 5 amps. So amp hour actually. So yeah, 2 of these. The cost was somewhere around, I think, 90 euros, which is around 93, 94, 95, something like that USDs. Yep. And I will try it right now. And what I forgot is the oil for the chain. So let's put it inside. This is the spot where we will be filling in the oil for the chain. As you can see, the chainsaw is cutting the branches, of course, but also smaller woods. And as you will see in the next couple of seconds, it cuts down also the large trees. This one was actually very big tree, a very large tree and very thick tree. And the Einhell chainsaw cut it without any problems, and everything lasted maybe a minute or 2. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with this chainsaw. It's lightweight, it's great, it's fast. Maybe it drinks a little bit more oil than it should, but maybe that's just my personal opinion, I don't know. So yeah, overall it's very great for, I think, 100 and something euros, 150, 170 USDs. I think that's amazing opportunity.